Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys want to do is remove your screen protector or a case, and let me explain why. Basically, if your case is covering those black parts where my finger is right now and it's going onto the screen, then it can already cause your screen to become less responsive and it will look something like this. But mind you, I'm holding it, so of course this will happen. But if something's just covering your screen, it won't happen at all, and it will be like this. Now, for the screen protector, if it's poorly applied, then basically if it's going to the sides, if it's not perfectly aligned with the entire screen right here, then it can also cause your touchscreen to become unresponsive or just less responsive. So if that's the case, then make sure to remove it. Now, what you guys want to do is grab a microfiber cloth for an example and clean your screen to remove any debris, any moisture, and your fingerprints. So just give your screen a few wipes. It should be good. So 4 swipes is enough to clean your screen. Also, you can make sure that you clean the edges. And after cleaning your screen, if there's still some unresponsiveness, what you guys want to do is force restart your phone. So the way you do that, you basically press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep on holding it. Even if you see this menu, don't click anything, and just keep on holding until your screen goes black. Now keep on holding here. Now this might take a while, and now you can let go. So let go and wait for your phone to show the logo. So here we have the logo. Now it took some time, and as you guys can see, all we have to do now is wait for our phone to turn back on. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now, after the restart, simply unlock your phone. And what you guys want to do as a last resort is go over and check for software updates. So we're gonna open up the settings. And in the settings, as you guys can see, it already popped up as a software update because it's installing the latest version. But where to find it? Scroll down until you see software update. Here, click download and install, and you'll see the exact same thing. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.